Hello everybody, and for my book report I did Wait Till Helen Comes by Mary Downing Hunt, and I am going to send her an email because that's what the paper said. Woo! Okay, so I go over here. I've already kind of started this letter, but so I will just show you when I'm done. So I did the rest of my letter, and I think it sounds pretty good. So it says, "Hello, I am a fan of your book, Wait Till Helen Comes, and I'm writing this letter because my school required us to do a book report. So I chose your book. We had to write a letter to the author of the book, or at least I chose that. I didn't. It wasn't required, but whatever. Okay. Wait Till Helen Comes is now one of my favorite books, and I love how much detail and description you put into it. You must make a sequel to it. It should be about the afterlife of Heather and what happens to her underground. Or maybe Dave and Jean should get divorced and something else happens. I don't know. I just really love your book. Not because I was required to read it, but because last year in 4th grade, we had book groups, and we had to read books, and your book was in a group. I wasn't in the group, though, but I love Coraline and spooky stories, so I thought, hey, why not? Sincerely, Wait Till Helen Comes fan." So that is my report. I hope you guys liked it. And, by the way, her email or Gmail is mdh12937@aol.com, and thank you for watching. Okay, make sure to read Wait Till Helen Comes because it is an amazing story, and if you like scary books, then you should definitely read it. Bye.